Hey guys, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I have a homeschooling video for you guys that I felt like I needed to make because I have not seen really anything about this curriculum. It looks like something that I think is worth sharing, even though we have not used it yet. So I wanted to share with you guys. I may do more in the future if we end up adding any of their curriculum to our routine. But I thought it might be useful to some of you guys who are out there, maybe have heard about this company and wanted to see a better flip through, but there's not any. I don't understand why nobody's talking about it. Even on the company website, there is very minimal information, very minimal look in the book. So I thought it might be helpful to some of you to see it. I actually purchased this curriculum after hearing Ashley from Grace and Grit talk about it. And I trust her opinion. I really like listening to her and what she has to say. And so that's why I purchased it. I'm going to be doing a flip through of the A.C.E. Health High School Curriculum. It's Accelerated Christian Education, I believe is the acronym. Yeah. They have a ton of different curriculum, pretty much every subject you can imagine, including Bible. But I was actually most interested in the health, at least at this point, and that is what Ashley actually talked about in her video. My youngest daughter is in 6th grade. And what we did with our oldest when she was in middle school, she actually did health class, I believe, don't quote me on this, but I'm pretty sure she did her health high school credit in her 8th grade year of middle school. So that's probably what we're gonna do with our youngest. And so thinking ahead in that way, and not to say we're only gonna use this in 8th grade, we may actually pick and choose a book here and there to use, I'm not really sure, but this is gonna count as her health credit, which is a half credit in the state that I live in. For health for high school. Even if she takes it in middle school, we'll count it for high school. So I'm going to actually take you down to my kitchen. It's a little bit brighter down there. It's actually nighttime right now when I'm filming, and so there's like not very much light in here. I'm going to take you down to the kitchen and show you a detailed flip through of what it looks like. Hopefully it will be helpful to you guys. Even if you're not looking necessarily at the health curriculum, you can kind of get an idea of how each subject is sort of laid out. They're kind of the same. As far as how they're broken up into units. So hopefully it'll be helpful to you guys. Make sure if you are looking for more homeschooling videos about curriculum and schedules and routines and curriculum reviews and all that stuff, that you check out my homeschooling playlist. It's linked for you in my description box. I think you'll find some really useful videos there. So let me go downstairs and show you a flip through of the A.C.E. ACE Health. Okay, so I have everything laid out. This is the entire health curriculum, and you would also want to purchase the answer keys, which are separate from this purchase. So these are for the student, and then you would have to purchase your own answer keys as the teacher to get the answers to the questions in these books. I don't really know a whole lot about the other subjects, but it appears to me from what limited amount of research I've done that all of the subjects are laid out this way, where each unit is in a book. There's a book for each unit. So in the health curriculum, there are 6 units. I'm going to show you first the different topics that are covered in the health curriculum. I'm sorry about my shadow. Like I said, it's nighttime and the lights are not really working with me right now, but I'm doing my best. Okay, so unit 1, this entire unit is general health and safety. Unit 2 is physical fitness. Unit 3 is nutrition. Unit 4 is health hazards and life-threatening diseases. Unit 5 is mental and emotional health. And Unit 6 is first aid and emergency health care. Now, one reason I like that this is broken up like this, and one reason I mentioned earlier that we may do some units one year and maybe do other units on a different year. I don't really know exactly yet how we're going to do that. But I think having every subject broken up into each individual book is helpful because you can pick and choose maybe which ones you want to do. Or you can take one unit and do health, general health and safety, and then add on to this. Maybe you want to do, have your child take CPR classes, like I have my oldest daughter do when she took her health class with homeschool. I signed her up for a local CPR first aid class. So there's a lot of different reasons why I think breaking everything up like this is beneficial. Also, if I do decide to have my youngest daughter do this in middle school as her health high school requirement, I may not want her reading, every little detail about sexually transmitted diseases. She knows that they exist, But I may not want to go into every little detail that is mentioned in this curriculum. So I can definitely maybe save that unit for a later time and do the ones first that we're more interested in or are more age appropriate. And so you can definitely do that. You don't have to go in exact order the way it was designed. So I'm going to just look at one book and show you through one book, because for the most part, each of these booklets are pretty much set up the exact same way. So they're not the kind of thing you're gonna get if you want a super colorful, flashy curriculum. This is not gonna be for you. But if you want something that is open and go, pretty much 100% student led, if you want it to be, depending on their age, very to the point, no fluff, no muss, this is probably a good curriculum for you. So for example, in this general health and safety, it tells you your different sections in this category, and then you have vocabulary at the beginning of each book. So all the different words and terms that your child is going to be reading about in this particular unit. So then basically they just have a little bit of reading and then questions that can be answered by the reading. I've had curriculum in the past that have given little bits of information, but they didn't actually give all the information, and then they would ask a question that was not in the reading, and that required like extra research. And if that's what you're looking for, that's great. But I want my kids to actually be able to read from their textbook and actually be able to find the answers to the questions that are being asked in their textbook. So this definitely does that. And you just have a variety of different types of problems, different types of questions. You've got fill in the blank. You've got a lot of Bible verses, Bible references. God is woven into this entire curriculum, whether you're doing health or science or Bible, obviously. Every one of their curriculums is based with a Bible-based approach. That's the company is a Christian company. And I think that's especially important with something like health. When you do get to the sexually transmitted diseases and, you know, abstinence and all that, that is, as a Christian, I think it's really important to have a Christian-based approach when talking about those things. And so this is definitely that. So I like that. No matter what subject we may choose to use, it's all going to come from factual Bible-based teachings. So there's different Bible verses mentioned, and then, you know, just a little bit of reading. So as you can see, I mean, it is very plain and to the point. It's very worksheet, kind of like typical what you'd get in school. But I like that. I like that it's simple and not overdone, not overcomplicated. I think that's nice. There's fill in the blanks over here. And then you have a checkup about halfway through that's kind of based on what you've done already. And you start another section, preventive measures against disease. You have a few more things about that. They do have a test that is kind of stapled in the middle of the book. But this is what you would do after you've completed the book. It's just kind of stapled in there in the middle. So we're still going on with different types of diseases. Then you get to the end of that section, you have another checkup. And all of these answers to the daily questions and the checkup questions and the test are going to be in the parent answer key that you're going to need to purchase. So another checkup, then you start another section. In this case, it's about safety. So you read all about safety. And then of course you get to the end and you have another checkup, and then here is a self-test. And it tells you how many points each question is worth. And then you take your test. So that's pretty much the curriculum in a nutshell. Like I said, if you're looking for something flashy and super colorful and bright and, you know, interactive and engaging, that's not this curriculum from what I've seen, at least not with the health. But that's okay. I don't mind that. And some things I do, and some things I'm all about full color and pretty pictures and all that stuff. And other things, I'm not that worried about it. And health especially is one of those things that I'm not really worried about it being super flashy. So I hope that was helpful. I really would like to do more flip-throughs of things from this curriculum in the future. I definitely will if we end up purchasing anything else to try. Right now we're pretty happy with everything we're using. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure if it was, give it a thumbs up. I will link the website for this company so you can kind of peruse and see what they have. Although I will say, like I said earlier, I don't think they did a great job at showing inside their curriculum. It's really kind of doing them a disservice that you cannot easily see, at least not that I was able to find. I was not able to find a good flip through of the different books that they have. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.